Right now we are undertaking the nation's first utility-owned network geothermal loop. And so we are installing about a mile of shared main in Framingham, Massachusetts. We're going to be connecting up about 140 customers and getting them online early next year on a shared network. We joined as a great resource for the industry and geothermal knowledge sharing in general. Eversource as a utility didn't have any existing experience installing necessarily ground source heat pumps or certainly the infrastructure required for a networked geothermal loop. And so it was a great opportunity to both, share the journey that we're on in installing this system, but also gain access to and have conversations with a lot of industry experts that could give us great feedback and guidance as we put this first system in.